Hey, welcome to Tutorial Lore. This video explains the REI Co-op app and whether it's worth using. Quick disclaimer. This is an explained review based on user feedback and online data, not personal use or a visual demo. REI Co-op is a mobile app designed for outdoor enthusiasts, providing easy access to gear shopping, membership benefits, store locators, and adventure planning tools. The app integrates product browsing, gear reviews, wishlist creation, order tracking, and access to exclusive member deals, all in one place. It also supports personalized recommendations and offline access for planning trips without internet connectivity. Let's talk about how it performs in actual use. Users appreciate the app for its clean interface, smooth navigation, and comprehensive product information. It helps members plan outdoor activities, keep track of purchases, and discover deals efficiently. Many also like that they can sync their wishlist and membership benefits across devices for convenience. Still, the app isn't without its downsides. Some users report occasional crashes or slow updates, and certain features may feel limited compared to using REI's desktop website. Full membership benefits require an REI Co-op membership, which may not be ideal for casual users. Additionally, the app's utility depends heavily on the user's level of engagement with outdoor activities. If you're finding this helpful so far, hit that like button, it really supports the channel. In summary, the REI Co-op app may be worth using if you're an outdoor enthusiast or a member looking for a mobile-friendly hub for shopping, planning adventures, and managing your membership benefits. It shines in convenience, organization, and access to member perks. However, if you're not an REI member or engage in outdoor activities infrequently, it might not fully meet your needs. This is not a commercial or paid promotion, but an informational video. For inquiries, contact the email address stated in the description.